Hello everyone, welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. Today we are back with day 4 of the 7 Days of Summer collaboration between Dear Julie and Cara Brandon Creations. So today is all about lemons. Here we have Dear Julie's page that we were working with. We have a large journal card here. This adorable little girl, looks like she has a jump rope of flowers there. This postcard, and then some smaller lemon ephemera and a lemon definition. And then from Cara Brandon, we have this little pocket. We have a larger and a smaller tag, a larger and smaller journal card, a label, and these two cute little jars there. All right, so today is a day of bits and pieces that I've made. So let's see. We'll start off with the simplest, a journal card backed on some tea-dyed paper, and then just a little piece of grosgrain ribbon that I found at Dollar Tree that has some cute little lemons on it. And then the larger journal card from Dear Julie, I made into a little booklet. I put the lemon definition here. I added a stamp that I had, and then I lined it with some tea-dyed paper and put some little pages in to write on. And it is stapled. I covered the staples with this little piece and then the definition on the front. And then I have this little pocket. I'm going to make this a tuck spot, so I'll just glue the side here, and then I'll tuck something behind it, and we'll have the pocket too with a butterfly, one of the little shakers. And then I have a recipe that I found for choose a fruit tart summertime. So I thought that was really cute with all the fruit that goes in here. And I put some paper inside so you could do some journaling on that recipe card. And the tab is from day 2 of Cara Brandon's kit, the collage page. So I tucked that in the pocket. And then I have this little double tag that I made with 2 of Cara's tags with the lemons. I backed them both onto tea-dyed paper. Gave them a little eyelet, and I have them held together with a bulb pin, and we've got a button and some lace and a little ticket there, and a little bit of yellow lace netting on the side. And that tucks in there. Okay, and then the last piece is this over the page flip. I used a little bit of fabric from my stash that had a summery feel to it. And this is a 3x5 divider card. I used Dear Julie's image of the little girl here with a little ephemera, a label, and some lace. Then the other side is a recipe card. And I used one of Cara Brandon's journal cards as a little tuck spot. And I made the postcard with tea-dyed paper, a little lace for a tab, and then a tag with the lemon card from Cara Brandon's Friday freebie, and some more of the grosgrain ribbon from Dollar Tree. And then that'll just go over, let's pretend this is our journal page, and that'll just go over the top like that. Okay, so I was having fun today with all these lemons. I can't wait for tomorrow. I will see y'all then, and have a crafty day.